Welcome back to another video. We got actually Devin Civic right here. We're picking up on the same day as we're doing the transmission right now. But yeah, we're gonna be installing coilovers. Should be pretty simple. We're gonna do the front, then we'll do the rear. Got the rear and jack stands. Front's already lifted. And let me actually show you the coilovers. You know Devin's car, I'll put a picture of his car right here. Here we have it, is gonna be the max speeding rods. You can see it right here. So on this one, he's doing a budget build. He's not doing his typical expensive build like on his TL. He's actually just gonna go as budget as he can. So he just got these wheels he mounted on yesterday. And here are the coilovers. Let's pull one of these out. There it is right here. It's quality, good size. About, I think he spent like 400 bucks ish around there. I'll put a link in the description for these. But yeah, let's go ahead and start doing this. I'm not gonna go too in depth because this is not a Civic channel, but we're gonna go ahead and remove some bolts down here, just two up here, and take the wheel off. All right, got it out. It was very simple. Probably took only like 5 minutes. So we got the fork. And we have the two front coilovers right here, or the front struts. And now let's go grab another one. So let's take a look. You can tell it might not be this one because the bracket. Let's see what these other ones look like. Yeah, so these ones for sure is not it. So I guess these are gonna be it. We are probably just gonna take off this bracket. Yeah, because this one actually has it on the spindle. So we are not gonna need this bracket. It'll probably just be in the way anyway. But yeah, let's go ahead and see if the top mounts on. And then if it does, then this one should just mount on just the same. It does look maybe a little bit skinnier. I guess we'll find out once we have it on. All right, so I put this on and tightened this up, and this thing was super loose. Like literally, I could take this out off this bottom piece. So I think luckily it comes with these shims. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these shims most likely in here or in there, and we're gonna go ahead and tighten it up. But yeah, it goes in like this, something like this, so that way it grips it a lot better. All right, I'm doing the rear one. So there's two 14s up front, which I took off already. You gotta move the carpet back. Two 14s down here. You'll see it. One will connect basically right here, and then there should be another one right here. I took both of them off, so that way this fork, you can see it now. A lot more play, and then now I could be able to take it out. Just a quick glance at them. It don't look like it came with any hardware, so I guess we're gonna have to see what we're gonna do for this piece right here. For the fork, does look a little bit wider. That's why probably what it came with, some spacers. So we'll see if it's gonna close that up a little bit. But yeah, guess we gotta figure out what we're gonna do for our hardware for this one. But yep. So like I said, I came with these washers, which I'm pretty sure they go between the fork, because it's pretty bigger than the opening. We'll find out when we get a bit closer. And I found one so far. I'm just going through my hardware to find whatever fits here, because like I said, it's attached to the old one, so now you gotta find like a nut or something. So like I said, you're gonna use these ones because I did on this side, and for the Civic you are gonna put it inside of here on both sides, and then I put the nut on, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Look at this car, transformation. All right, go do some donuts. See if it rubs. All right, so this is probably gonna be the final for now until he gets a little bit more parts or roll of fenders, but we got it looking good.
Short shifter next.
Short shifter next. And we'll do some rollers. Go end the video right here. Like, comment, subscribe. And, well, I don't know if we're gonna end the video here. It might be kind of short, so we'll see what else we're gonna do. Here's Devin. We are waiting for our buddy. I don't know his name. He's been kind of new to me. I think his name is Jason or whatever. This is a weird install. We're actually going to be removing a type S front lip, and I'll show you guys how to do it after you guys installed it. I'm pretty sure there's no videos on this because who the hell does that? But he's going to remove it. I think he's going to get it painted. So we're waiting for him to show up, and we might show Devin his new Civic. I don't think I showed it yet on this channel. We've been doing some work to it. And yeah, so let's wait until they pop up, and yeah. 6 so right here. Maybe I'll do some cleaning in the shop. I've been organizing. I actually got this little organizer right here. And I'm waiting for some new shop lights. Here he is. And we're removing this front lip. What happened? You couldn't do it yesterday? You couldn't do it yesterday?
Nah, it was too dark.
Yeah, it seemed dark.
How's it going?
Good. Guess I'll record how to remove a front lip since nobody ever does that. But we'll do it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood, take off the front bumper, and it's very simple. Well, once we get the bumper off, I'll show you guys more or less how to remove it. If you guys are doing this to a part out TL or something. Right here. So, we got the zip ties, there's 4 of them. Super easy. All you do is pinch these. They slide right out. You just pinch it. And then one more right here, so there'll be 4 total. Now that you got these, just save them, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the bracket off the lip on the sides, which is just a screwdriver. So you get your handy dandy screwdriver, and we're just gonna be taking off probably just these 2. We could leave the bracket on the actual bumper for now because this is just getting painted. So we're gonna go ahead and take both of these off. All right, now that we got the bracket off, all we got to do is just peel it off the bumper, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. I don't think there's anything else holding this lip on. You gonna record me?
Yes, sir.
I'm just gonna put this off for the grain. Oof. Don't ever do this. Don't ever disgrace a front lip like this and remove it.
Big oof.
The uninstall. Whew. Good bitch. Just like that, we have just removed the front lip. I thought Tim was gonna come in here.
He is right now. Pick the line up.
Oh, Tim's doing some illegal shit. You want to record your car real quick, give an update? Actually today, no, not today. Never mind. Yeah, record yours and show Devin's car because we haven't showed it yet.
What's up, guys? So my car here got some nice wheels on.
And just like that, the bumper or the Type S front lip is off, and he's naked again. All right, guess next we're gonna be doing Devin. So
The shitbox Honda.
the budget build series.
budget
And
build.
then after Devin, it's mine.
And that's it. Yeah, and then there's Tim's.
Jimmy, I think I want to fix that. You see how my front bumper's hanging?
I want to cut it off. Can I cut that off?
Where are we cutting though?
See how it hangs on the bottom?
Oh, if it comes off, then we'll cut it.
Yeah, I want to cut it off. Chris is gay. I think Chris is gay.
Yeah? So not this video or next video, but the third video in 3 weeks. We're actually doing your car. It's the video where I put the ball joint in and everything. So that will get your own, technically your own video.
Okay.
That's in 3 weeks.
Okay.
So because this Friday is my carbon glove box install, and then next week after that was, I don't know what the fuck, I don't even know. I got videos scheduled and shit. But I just barely finished that video, and that will be out soon.
Ooh. What I say?
I like that, huh? And you're good right there. All right, for Devin, we are gonna take a look at his strut, and then maybe just make him lower. Because instead of doing the dampening and maxing that out, you could tighten this up a little bit. So I'm going a little bit more.
That's not gonna mess with the
height?
yeah, the height difference, right?
You'll see. It might. If it does, we'll just adjust it. It'll be easy.
Yeah.
You didn't ask what I was doing.
What are you doing?
He was already explaining.
Or turn it off and then I'll tell you.
Hey, but they said you said the longer the video, the better it is.
Yeah. How is preset? Oh, I got full battery. We are adding some preload to him so that way he can stop making the squeaky squeaks and he could be Skittles again.
Skittles again.
Alright, this wheel go.
Blind me.
Damn,
I was covering it.
We got Tim now. We're gonna be putting his fender on. As you've seen in like the last 3 months ago, we fixed his ball joint, but now we're actually gonna put his fender on. And then we can close the shop up. Tim's car is pretty cool, right? I think his car is pretty dope. What do you guys think? Well, where did you get this at, Tim?
Whoa. Got from Mythic Customs. Luckily, you have an extra one in hand.
Yeah.
You have the cooler version.
Yeah, caught my merch. I'm just kidding, that's not even mine. The color's not that off.
It's really not.
Finally got Tim's car done. Pretty sure your wheel straight and air out on these hoses.